Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 25, our final box of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. For those of you who do not know, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year for the last couple of years now. We do have days 1 through 24 up on our channel if you want to go ahead and check those out, but let's go ahead and dive into day number 25. Here we go. This one is super heavy, which makes me very excited. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Okay. This is a cutting and pressing mat travel folio. So let's go ahead and take this out of the bag. Sorry for the noise. Let's see here. Have you guys seen this item before? Is this just unique to the box? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, there's a cute little seal here, Missouri Star Quilt Co. Awesome. Oh, look how cute. Oh my god, this is such a good present for day number 25. Oh my gosh. So here's the cutting mat. How amazing is that? Let's see, it's a 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat. And then you have your wool felt pressing mat here, which I love. I love these. Do you guys have these? These are amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I've never been on a quilt retreat, which actually, there you go. There's our question for today. Have you ever been on a quilt retreat, and what was your favorite one? I've never been, and I should really start investigating one. My kids are starting to get a little bit older. The baby she'll be 2 next summer, so I mean, it's probably a good time for me to start going out on retreats. But this is amazing. I'm so in love with this item. Oh my gosh, let me know down below what you think of this item, and then let me know if you've been to a quilt retreat, and like I said, which one, so I can go ahead and start looking into those. And I will see you guys for the next, I don't know, video of whatever I end up doing. Hopefully you stick around. Bye everybody, have a great Christmas.